In India, small and medium enterprises, SMEs, are the backbone of the industry. According to statistics data, 63 million SMEs with 40% of them only being online digital and the rest are using old techniques to get business. And because of that, they are facing lots of problems. So let's focus on all the problems which are facing by suppliers and customers. Problems of suppliers. First, lack of automated lead generation. Second, poor working capital management. And third but not the least, lack of innovation and technology. Let's see all the problems of customers. Unable to find the right and reliable suppliers. Unable to track and monitor. And unable to get quality-related products. But don't worry. We have brought a very easy solution for all the customers and suppliers. Introducing Finixel B2B ecosystem. It's a digital platform enabling business between qualified suppliers and customers. It is supported by industry experts, financial institutions, and digital technologies. We are dealing with different categories like engineering, automotive, aerospace, medical equipment. Finixel offers a complete ecosystem support to suppliers in business development, systems implementation, and working capital management. And for customers, Finixel enables the Internet of Things IoT-based monitoring to track their production, quality, logistics, and also manages the supplier's development. Let's see the benefit to suppliers. Qualifying suppliers to get long-term business. Follow all the 4 easy steps and you can become a qualified supplier of Finixel. First, enroll in Finixel.com. Second, assess. Third, implement. And you will be a qualified supplier. Let's see how to onboard as a supplier in the Finixel. Step 1. Open www.finixel.com and click on the Register as a supplier. Step 2. Fill in your account information, then click on the Proceed. Step 3. Fill in personal information, then click on the Register. Step 4. Your account is created successfully and then click on the Go to Dashboard. This is the supplier dashboard, and then the admin will approve the supplier's request and then you will be able to use all the features of the dashboard. After the approval of the admin, you can add your products. You can track all your top-selling categories, your lifetime sales, number of customers, and also you will get the customer's RFQ. You can see all the customers' reviews. So enroll in www.finixel.com and become our verified suppliers. Finixel helps the supplier to grow their business leveraging our contacts, B2B online platform, digital marketing, and automated lead generation apps. Finixel can solve the problems of poor working capital management of the suppliers by enabling invoice discounting, lien, and MSME loans with the help of financial institutions and digital technologies. Let's see all the benefits to customer. Enabling the Internet of Things to monitor the production, raw materials, product specifications, quality controls, and get real-time outputs. Enabling real-time transport tracking and customer supports. Finixel was founded in 2013 and became a business partner for IBM to implement analytics solutions to manufacturing industries. Finixel started its supply chain operations in 2017 and started sourcing complex engineering components from Indian suppliers for overseas markets. Finixel uses a proprietary people, process, and technology framework to develop suppliers to the demanding requirements of global OEMs. We have a very much experienced direct sourcing experts team and the best digital technology to monitor end-to-end visibility in productions and generate AI-based lead generation for the suppliers, which makes Finixel very different than others. Our business partners. We hope you are convinced on partnering with Finixel B2B ecosystem. If you need any more assistance, so please contact us at info@finixel.com and enroll at www.finixel.com. Thanks for watching.